Si Appsly po kasi is lending institution po and savings and lending institution po na tumutulong sa mga pulis, sundalo, BFP at saka yung mga active in services na nangangailangan ng financial assistance. Not just only financial assistance, also ganun din sa mga donations and CSR programs ni Appsly.
So I'm so lucky and so happy to be here celebrating our golden anniversary. Swerte nyo, nasa Appsly kayo. Sana pagbutihin nyo ang trabaho sa Appsly. The best ang binibigay ng Appsly sa inyo. Keep up the good work lang.
Happy anniversary, Appsly. I hope na marating pa uli natin ang another 50 years. Salamat sa inyong suporta. At kino-congratulate ko na rin kayo for being the first runner-up sa Model Employee of the Year.
There goes my plane.
Hindi sa inyong pag-patronize sa mga products and services ni Appsly, wala rin naman kami. So, we really value your trust in Appsly and looking forward for another 50 years.
It feels like we've never done this before.
Welcome! Mag-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong gabi sa pag-celebrate ng ika-50 taong pagkakatatag ng Appsly. So, inaasahan tayo ng ating management at saka ng miyembro na we will give more and more and more para maging successful pa rin ang Appsly for the next 50 years. Okay ba?
It feels like we've never done this before.